Next topic is mean. Mean, mode. Whenever mean, you are listening mean, so mode, median, this all three terms are also there. Actually, mean, median, mode. This is known as the central tendency of the data. Central tendency. Central tendency means what? The middle value, nearest middle value. So, if anyone will ask that mean will give you middle value or median will give you a mod. So quickly you will say median because you know the median formula, the middle value. It's not like that. Mode will also give actually the central tendency. Mode will also give you the nearest middle value, and mean also will give you the nearest middle value. And median is always giving by the definition only. So we have a mean. So mean of raw data. Raw data means what? When the groups are not arranged, like here it is the mean of first seven even natural numbers. So what are your first even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So how you will find out the mean? Like average sum of all observation divided by number of observation. That is how many number are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. So sum of observation divided by 7 will give you the mean. Okay. So this is known as ungrouped data. But what about this type of information? If data is given in like this, so how you will find out the mean data? Because we cannot do sum of observation, because observation is this also and this also. How we will do? So here we have one formula that is, this is known as actually x and f. So you will multiply both the entries. That is known as fx. Okay, 6 into 5 30, 12 into 4 48, 18 into 5 90, 24 into 6 144, and then you will do total. Okay, total of fx and the total of f also. So this is actually your mean. That summation, this summation is actually, it is the symbol to show the, this is your summation, it is the sigma to show the this sum is there. Okay, sum. So sum of f of x divided by sum of f is will give you the mean of this type of group data. Okay, of this type of group data. Okay, let's do one two questions so that you will understand. So first I am doing question number 2 of exercise 34.36.4. Find the mean of the numbers 9 3 0 6 7 minus 1 4. The first thing this in statistic, what we are doing, that first we are arranging in ascending order. Ascending order, descending order depends on you. Okay, minus 1 will supposed to come first, no? Minus 1 0 3 4, then 6 7 and 9. Fine. So now how you will find out the mean? Mean, how you will find out? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. So sum of observation will be what? Here we will write minus 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 divided by, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Already they have, no, okay, now 7. So 4, 6, 4 plus 4, 10, 10, 13, 13 minus 1, 12. Okay, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 9 will give you what? 38. 38 upon 7. And then you will solve it. You will get 7, 5, 35. Okay, and 3, 7 6 7 5 7 4 78. 5.4 you will, oh sorry, solution is not visible. Yeah, so mean here will be what? 5.4. This is how you will do the taking out the mean of ungrouped data. But what about if data is grouped? Like you can see here, that here, okay, the mean value of the following distribution. So what I told you for this type of tables, first we will make table 3 columns we will make. Okay, in this x and f, first I'm writing 4 6 9. I'm writing the entries. Let me write, then I will show you. 8 9 11 5 7. This is the, you can say, table. This will be your table, x f. Okay, and here you will write total. So this will be what? xf mean multiplication. So 4 8 32, 6 9 54, 99, 5 10 50, 5 into 7 35. Now you will do total also. Okay, 32 plus 54 plus 99 plus 50 plus 35 will give you how much? 270. It gives you what? 270. This is the sum. And what about the sum of this? Means 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 5 plus 7 is 40. Okay, so what here, what will be the mean? Mean will be what? Sum of fx. Okay, you can write like this, summation fx or xf or summation of f. 270 upon 40. Okay, 227 divided by 4 give you 6.75. So here mean is 6.75. So this is how you will take out the mean of group data. Okay, if the data is given in the form of a table, then you will solve like this.